Ruhe jetzt, ich mach den Video. Ich komme gleich, ganz kurz, wartet. That's how much we have made so far, guys. $56. Thank you for helping monetize this channel, by the way. I promise you guys 100% transparency. And that's why I'm showing you guys how much money we have made so far. 3 months ago, I had no idea how I'd be able to make money. The only thing that I knew is that I don't want a 9-to-5 job anymore. I had a chance to go to Ruhe jetzt, ich mach den Video. Ich komme gleich, ganz kurz, wartet. I was lucky enough to visit Thailand. And once I was there, my completely mindset shift. It was crazy what I experienced there. I came back and made the decision to sell everything and just do everything as possible to live in this country. As some of you already know, I kind of have to do it because my position is not the best one. But I kind of started listening to myself, collected some money, and just made a decision to leave. Today, guys, after 3 months, we found a way to make money and work from everywhere. The crazy thing is that I was mainly focused on creating something new, like create this business. I thought it would be the thing that would actually bring me that flexibility. Without paying attention to my skills, what I have been doing for more than a decade. And that as a recruiter, I already have the setup of working remote. I just didn't know that I could use my skills, and instead of like working for a company, I could start working with companies directly together. So now we have these 3 ways. We have working as a recruiter, independent recruiter. We have our own business, grow your business online, making websites and so on. By the way, this is my first client, Stone Symphony. Check it out. So I made all of this with the right information. See, working on some pictures, some information. And if I said before, whoever needs a website for free, just hit me up. Write in a comment on Telegram, whatever. Like, doesn't matter what kind of business. Just let me know, hit me up. The website is for free. The domain is for free. At the end, you only pay for the maintenance on a monthly abo, but the whole website is for free. So this is the one I'm working right now. It's not finished yet. And if you have any questions, just, write it down in the comments. And through YouTube, while I'm sharing the story in the process, starting from the beginning after losing everything, some little, but still a source of income. These right now are 3 sources of incomes. Once I've created like a pretty nice, stable basis, I'm gonna create the 4th source of income and probably the 5th source of income. And if you want to keep following the process, just come into the Telegram group, ask you questions, and just let me know whatever you need. I'm still screwed. I'm still in debt. I still have to pay a lot of stuff, like insurance, child support, and all of the stuff. But I managed to find a way to make money. Now, the next step is to reduce my costs and my expenses, like any insurance that I don't need, to quit that insurance. To check actually what I'm spending money with, that I don't use it, or not taking care of, or it's like, yes, taking my money. I already created a list on this, and here we go. Like my ADAC insurance, insurance car, telecom, Vodafone, some tools that I don't really use, and some other stuff. So this is pretty much so far. This is an update on what's happening. Stay tuned, then we're going back on the 15th back to Thailand. I spent some days with my son and we're on track. We're doing the right thing. And thank you everybody out there who is supporting the journey, who is watching the videos until the end, who is commenting, who believe in me that I can do it. You guys have been a huge support on this. So thank you very much for that. And there's one thing I want to share with you. You are also able to quit your 9-to-5 job, focus on your skills, and instead of working for someone out there, talk directly to the businesses and get more profit out of it. I'm doing it. You should do it too. It's all about willing to become free. It's all about willing to have more flexibility, and at the end, to spend more time with the people that you love. So stay tuned. And whoever didn't believe that I would be able to do it, man, I'm sorry for you.